True or false? A shampoo bar is simply a soap. Hi, I'm Stevie Lomas, CEO and founder of the Camel Soap Factory, a manufacturer of soaps and shampoos with over 10 years experience in the region. Whilst many shampoos on the market are simply soaps, a really good shampoo bar is not. And here are 3 important differences. Firstly, soap can be extremely drying. When you apply soap to the scalp, it can strip the natural oils, leaving your scalp feeling dry and tight. And part of the reason for this is soaps have a pH of between 9.5 and 10. Secondly, a normal pH balance will help seal the cuticles, prevent breakage and lock in moisture. So a good shampoo bar will have a pH of between 4.5 and 5.5. Finally, soaps do not have conditioning agents like a shampoo, and a soap can leave your hair feeling really dry and brittle. Shop our amazing new shampoos and conditioners on our website below and experience the difference yourself.